I did not know what CPEC is. CPE. Assalamu alaikum, ladies and gentlemen. As promised, I'm here to answer all your questions regarding CSS. First of all, we should start with the intro. I'm Dr. Sasi Malik Sher. I graduated. I did my MBBS in 2016, after which I did my house job in medicine and peds, which I froze actually after that and took my CSS exam. CSS 2017, which was my first attempt. I cleared it and was allocated in MLCG, military lands and cantonments. And the most important part is that I was the Pressy topper of 2017. Let's begin.
What is CSS?
CSS stands for Central Superior Services. There are 12 groups in it and the list is available on the internet. The exam is actually taken every year by the FPSC, which is Federal Public Service Commission, and those 12 groups collectively form the bureaucracy of the state.
Are 6 months enough for CSS preparation?
Yes, fairly enough.
I have never listened that an engineer ever became a CSP officer.
I would unfortunately disagree to the statement. I have many engineers who are in my common and who are very well read, and yes, one of them is actually in my very own MLCG too.
Which CSS group is the best?
That is personal preference.
Daily study time for CSS.
There is no time for CSS. I usually tell everybody who asks me that you have your timetable and divide your timetable as per the topics that you have to study per day and not the time that you have to allot to those topics.
How many months should I give to English essay?
English essay actually starts with the very start of your preparation and should go till the exam. So,
where to start? Which subject to start with?
Mostly we are told to start with the compulsories, but I find them pretty difficult. So I usually tell all the people who ask me to start from the optionals, which is pretty easy.
How to get grip of English Pressy?
For English Pressy, yes, there should be an alarm at 10 p.m. like myself. I had an alarm. Every day, Pressy goes along with all the other preparation every day. So choose any good book, be it Brennan Martin, be it Oxford English, and wrote it. Just ratify all the idioms, ratify all the pair of words, everything that you can get hold of.
How much time a student should give to English Pressy paper?
Do not go for the binge learning. I have already suggested that yes, learning is needed for the grammar paper, but learning 100 to 200 pair of words all at a time is actually wrong. Go with 10 at a time, slower pace, but slow and steady wins the race.
How to memorize newspaper because I forget it the next day?
You do not have to memorize the newspapers, bro. Just read the first page, read the opinion page, and that is all.
You used to practice essays by writing them from internet and then memorize them?
No, I never learned an essay, and there is no use learning essays because there in the paper you're going to be writing on your own. Just collect the data and then in the paper it's going to come out, you have to write it on your own.
In how much time you prepared for CSS? Can a jobber do that?
A jobber can totally do that. I have a number of batchmates who were actually doing their jobs pretty well and cleared the CSS exam. And I actually prepared for 4 to 6 months.
Why did you choose bureaucracy over medicine?
This is again a very personal choice. I have seen many motivating doctors and I have seen some very demotivating doctors. So as per my choice, I didn't want to be one of them.
Is CSS difficult?
Not at all.
How to clear essay paper without attending any academy or a teacher?
You should have enough knowledge to pour it down on the paper. So reading, I would suggest.
What is the best way of increasing vocabulary?
Reading again. Read and make flashcards. Write those words on those papers, the new words that you learn, and write a meaning at the back. So every time, whenever you get time, just revise those words. So, it builds up your vocabulary.
Role of academies for CSS preparation?
That again is a very personal choice. For me, it was very important because being a doctor, I had really no idea. I would soon be sharing my video with you guys. I did not even have the basic idea. So just to get the basic gist of all the subjects, it was important for me to join.
इंटरव्यू में वो लोग बॉडी हाइट फेस और बैकग्राउंड को भी क्या जज करते हैं?
No, वो ये जज करते हैं.
How to initiate? I am a 3rd semester engineering student, but I want to prepare from now.
Those who are actually pursuing their degrees, I've got a number of questions. You should please start reading. Right or left hand books, whatever your choice is, be it fiction, be it anything that you like. just read books. And for those who are starting preparation, I would say the step number 1 is to go to FPSC website. Please download all the outlines, print them out, and just see what your favorite subjects are, what you will opt, and just read the outlines of each and every subject.
What can be the reason of not getting allocated even when you have cleared all the selection levels?
Either the number of the seats is less and the number of people who passed is more, or the number in the written score is very low, or the marks in the interview are very low, or you must have failed the interview. There are
इंटरव्यू में वो लोग बॉडी हाइट फेस और बैकग्राउंड को भी क्या जज करते हैं?
no, वो ये जज करते हैं.
How to initiate? I am a third semester engineering student, but I want to prepare from now.
Those who are actually pursuing their degrees, I've got a number of questions. You should please start reading. Right or left hand books, whatever your choice is, be it fiction, be it anything that you like. Just read books. And for those who are starting preparation, I would say the step number 1 is to go to FPSC website. Please download all the outlines, print them out, and just see what your favorite subjects are, what you will opt, and just read the outlines of each and every subject.
What can be the reason of not getting allocated even when you have cleared all the selection levels?
Either the number of the seats is less and the number of people who passed is more, or the number in the written score is very low, or the marks in the interview are very low, or you must have failed.
Your experience after CSS, that is, how hard was it to adjust at a new place for training?
Actually, the training place is called Civil Services Academy, which is a dream place for everybody, and it treats you very well.
Are you a CSS topper?
Not at all aware that Shad was, but yes, I was a topper of English Pressy.
Is it easy for a person without references to pass CSS?
Yes, this is actually the exam of the common people.